Yes, absolutely, absolutely, my friends. What's going on, everybody? This is Luke Pico with IroncladConfidence.com coming to you guys today, baby. Another amazing video. Yeah, buddy, dude. What's cracking, champions? Shoot, dude. So check it out, my friends. If you guys are new here to the YouTube channel, you guys, on this channel, I create all kinds of content when it comes to we talk about a lot of concepts when it comes to universal laws of attraction, when it comes to how reality works, when it comes to your psychology and what you can do with your life. I share powerful, powerful concepts that are going to freaking rock your world and blow your mind. Okay? And so some of the stuff that I talk about, it's pretty deep. It'll challenge your own frame of mind. It'll challenge your perception of reality. And mind you, let me share some other concepts with you really quick before we dive into this activation, dude. Yeah, buddy. So check it out, baby. So like, who I am, you guys, is I'm pretty straightforward, dude. I'm straight up. I'm pretty straightforward. I'm just, what you see is what you get, dude. I'm straight up transparent, okay? And if there's one thing I've learned about the law of attraction or reality or how reality works in quantum physics and all this stuff, is that there are levels to this game, you see? And the first level that I started out with was the personal development field, where you're working on your psychology. You're trying to figure out who you believe you are. You're trying to figure out why you think the way you think and raise your level of awareness. And I did that for so long that I've literally transcended into, and I'm not saying this like, oh, he's transcended, he's enlightened. That's not what I'm saying, dude. What I'm saying is I've transcended to the energy field of how reality works. And so a lot of the stuff that I share, it's powerful. I mix it all together. I share with you these concepts on how you can use them in your own life. And mind you, the stuff that I share, dude, it ain't easy. It's going to be difficult if you're first starting out learning about the science of how reality works, right? Oh, great. He's going to talk about this stuff again. Yeah, buddy. And so you want to learn about these activation secrets of reality. You want to learn how to use energy codes to imprint your reality with a new intention, with a new dimension, with a new psychological perception. Shoot, dude. Yeah, buddy. So check it out, baby. So what do I mean, activation secrets of reality? And so if you take that one word, and you're gonna find out you've been using words your whole life. See, you, me, and everyone else, we have been using thoughts and words our whole life. But what you don't understand is one word, one singular word, just one word, is a doorway. And behind that one-worded doorway is a whole nother dimension, a whole nother world that can open up in your reality, right? Most people, even though it sounds obvious, it ain't that obvious, dude. Most people, even though they know that, they don't really know that from a very deep level of reality, right? That's the way it goes, baby. You know how it was for me when I first started learning this stuff? I literally was, first of all, when you start this process of transformation, you start to recognize, hey, dude, everything's energy. There's energy codes everywhere. You wake up, you are already encoded through the night. You are subconsciously, your body at night is subconsciously reprogramming the code of energy that you think upon every day. Okay? And when you start your day, you're starting off with a certain dimensional frequency that you believe about yourself, what you can do in life, where you can go, what you can create, who you can become. All this magnificence, right? Yeah, buddy, baby. So check it out, dude. Activation secrets of reality. You understand that your life, and this is everyone, I don't care who you are, your life is, your reality, your life is voice activated. You see, so, well, what do you mean voice activated? You have to understand there are two voices. There are two voices, baby. You got your outer voice that you can hear audibly with your ears and other people can hear. But here's another thing, baby. You have a central harmonic instrument inside. And when you tell yourself an idea or a concept, you hear that frequency inside your soul. And guess what? You have to act upon that information. You understand how powerful that is? It sounds obvious, right? It sounds simple, but it ain't. You see, this stuff's deep, dude. This stuff is deep. This is about reprogramming your perception of reality. This is about reprogramming what's going on behind the scenes of your psychology, right? Yeah, buddy, baby. It's the way it goes, my friends. And I've been able to consistently recognize that. See, the voice you hear inside of you every day is navigating the freaking ship of your life. Really stop and think about that. Because when you start to realize that, you start to think, oh, well, it's the obvious. I'm doing this, I'm doing that, I'm going here, I'm going there. That makes sense. But you got to understand something, dude. It's a lot deeper than that. See, when you start to decode reality, see, when you say things out loud, even if you say them even when you hear them inside, you are working with energetic codes of reality. You understand that? You understand that communication, words, thoughts, and ideas, they are divine tools. They're divine tools that you can use to unlock a completely different reality for yourself. You can use these ideas that you think about every single day. See, if a person has been programmed to consistently think upon whatever it is that they've been programmed around, right? You're doing it right now. You've been programmed your whole life. I've been programmed my whole life. And we use our life and we act upon the deepest beliefs or intentions of who we are in that day, from day to day. We act upon that. So we are activating that reality. We're activating that dimension that we're going to experience. And what a lot of people don't realize is that they can literally change when they decide they're ready to change. They can change, they can shift their reality around using energetic codes that have been programmed into who they believe they are. You see, for a long time, I thought I knew who I was, dude. I thought I knew who I was. In fact, if you've never heard this before, right now you think you know who you are, but you don't even know that maybe you don't know who you are, right? What are you talking about, Luke? I know who I am, dude. Understand something, baby. If you understand the knowledge that I'm about to share with you, then you're going to realize how limited that perception is if you thought that way. Because here's the thing. If I know myself because I'm with myself all the time, a lot of people say, well, I know who I am. I'm with me all the time. But you got to understand. You don't understand why you feel the way you feel, first of all. You probably don't understand why you believe the way you believe. And even though you can intellectually say, yes, I do, it's because this, and I learned this over the course of my life. You're absolutely right. But you got to understand something, baby. There's always more to learn in life. And behind all that information you were raised around was a dimension of psychology that you can't see from your current level of reality. They were energy codes of information that were locked together. And then you get raised around that environment, and then you pick up an imprint of why you believe that, why you think that, not even knowing that there's probably a greater level of awareness that you could tap into to see your reality from a different point of view, right? Yeah, buddy, baby. It's the way it goes, my friends. A lot of people, they don't know that. And so they live their life every single day, and it's not you're dumb, it's not you're bad, it's just the way it goes, dude. It's just the way it goes, baby. You live your life based upon the direction that you act upon every day. So when we talk about activation, it sounds all technical, right? Ooh, activation, but it is. Because you're a walking instrument possessed by a core frequency power energy core. You're by a core power energy core of psychology. And whatever psychological power energy core energetic code of psychology grips you, guess what? That's what's going to direct your life in the reality that you get. And you don't even know it, even though you know it, right? Well, I got to get up and I got to go to work and I can't listen to that because I'm too busy. You're right. And you're literally using these activation secrets of reality all day, every day to tap into the reservoir of your heart and say, this is what I hear right here. These are energetic codes I believe, and then you move in that direction, right? You see what I'm saying? So if you want to tap into a different world, if you want to learn how to reprogram your central nervous system, your psychological pattern of thinking so that you can create the success you want to experience, then you can, dude. You can, baby. You just got to recognize it. That's why, like, for me, I need to give myself... See, one thing about me is that I thoroughly absorb and saturate my mind with the information that I want to learn long enough so that I can internalize what it is I'm experiencing. And then once I internalize it, guess what, baby? Then I have proof, then I have the facts that what I'm sharing is true, is real. It's how it works. Because if you go study quantum physics long enough, if you go study what's going on behind the scenes of reality in the energy field, that's when you start to discover how reality really works. You see, we live in a world of polarity, dude. I talk about it all the time. We live in a world of polarity. And guess what? You got, what's the polar opposite of this, right? You got negative, positive, hot, cold, good, bad, happy, sad, up, down, left, right. Right? Guess what, baby? I learned how to do the electric slide, dude. In other words, I learned the activation secrets of reality, right? Because see, what happens is you get all this information you're raised around streaming through you on a loop. You get trapped in this loop of information. And what's the loop of information? It's a repeating pattern that you don't even know you're stuck in, right? Go to work, do the same task, do the same routine, follow the same pattern, come home, eat dinner, go to sleep, rinse and repeat. You start it all over again, right? This is how we do it, dude. There ain't nothing wrong with that. That's how reality works. In fact, you have to live based upon the trajectory and the direction of your life, right? You have to. You have to repeat some pattern that's going to make sense to you in your life, in your reality. And if you don't have a pattern that you see, before my house burned down, guess what, dude? I had been there 12 years, baby. 12 years cultivating. You don't even know you're cultivating a power. See, I was cultivating the energy of all of that transformation, all that psychology, all that terminology, all that transformation, all that information. I was cultivating and building and opening up the vortex, right? Yeah, buddy. I was opening up the vortex, dude. And guess what? I started gaining momentum, but guess what? When my house burned down, guess what? All that, you basically shut the energetic dimension of that energy code, that reality. But guess what, dude? Because it's in here and it's in here, I still walk around and possess the understanding that I've created. And so when I share this information, I can share with you or like-minded people that may want to change their life and their reality using these kind of concepts. You see what I'm saying, dude? It's the way it goes, baby. Just a lot of people don't know that. And so, Luke, what's an energy code? You're talking about these energy codes. You got to understand something. You're a walking instrument that's been coded. You've been coded. You live by the code of the words that come out of your mouth, the voice that you hear inside, that activates you. Because this is how you know it's true. Because that central voice inside, you can listen to the victor's voice or you can listen to the victim's voice. You see? And a lot of people subconsciously, we get stuck whooping on ourselves, dude. We get stuck telling ourselves, oh, we ain't good enough. Oh, it doesn't matter. Oh, we're this. Oh, we're that. And then we don't even know it. You could become a victim in your own eyes and not even know it. Because you get so stuck on feeling sorry for yourself. And mind you, when you feel down and you feel frustrated, give yourself your time. What I'm talking about is living in a repetitive pattern where you just become a big victim in your life. And so, what do you want to do, dude? What do you want to do? Who do you want to be? Where you want to go, baby? Yeah, buddy. It's the way it goes, my friends. And so, that's what I decided to do. I decided to, create this content, right? I decided to focus my intention on the direction of my life. And so when I share this information and I'm talking about activation secrets of reality, you got to understand, baby, that's what's going on behind the scenes, dude, sweetie. Yeah, buddy, baby. And so whatever you tell yourself carries a code of energy. And guess what? When you tell yourself to do it, you hear that code of energy. It influences and impacts who you are. And if it's powerful enough, you move in that direction, right? You move in that confidence. You move in that charisma, dude. You move in that enthusiasm, right? You move on that project. You work on it, right? You get past it, right? One minute things can be super negative. Next minute, you can make things like this, boom, super positive. Instantly. Bam, baby. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, buddy. And so what you want to do, dude? Who you want to be? What kind of mindset you want to build? What kind of attitude you want to have? You want to transform? You want to, let your mind be made over? You want to be transformed by making your mind over, right? You have to have a growth mindset, baby. That means you got to be open-minded to receive new knowledge, new imprints. Oh, will you say the same stuff over and over again? Guess what, dude? Everyone is saying the same thing over and over again. It's just that every day it's locked together in a different explanation, a code of reality, right? Yeah, buddy. Guess what, baby? You could change the code. You could be hating your life right now and say, that's cool. I may hate my life right now, but guess what? I got side hustle. Guess what? Behind the scenes, I'm going to be reading books and studying and programming myself and learning, get all these negative thoughts out. Try hard as you can to focus on the momentum and the direction and the positivity you're going. Guess what, dude? You're going to freaking rock that, baby. You're going to rock it. You're going to skyrocket, dude, because over time you'll go from point A to point B. You'll transition from this negative reality into this positive reality, and you won't even know how, even though you know how. You understand that? Simply based upon what you decide to tell yourself, baby, and what you decide to agree with, right? Yeah, buddy. It's the way it goes, baby. And so, what you want to do, dude? Who you want to be, right? Activation secrets of reality. I don't know. I just wanted to spit some truth, right? Drop some knowledge, dude. Some free 99 knowledge, baby. Yeah, buddy, dude. But that's it, champions. That's all I got for you guys today. Just wanted to share some insights, some concepts on, what you believe inside your soul. That's what's going to move you in that direction. You will activate, right? So what does that actually mean? Activation. That means when you act upon something, you create an energy around that action. You create an energy around that action, baby. And guess what? That activates the energetic pattern of the reality you're going to experience. And so guess what? Shift around your actions, you shift around your beliefs. Guess what? You're going to shift around the energy that comes out of those actions and beliefs. And that's going to influence your reality, dude. Yeah, buddy, baby. Done, dude. Yeah, buddy, baby. Check it out, my friends. If you're new here, you want to learn about these powerful concepts, you want to learn how to use invisible frequencies and thought waves to transform who you believe you are, then consider subscribing, dude. Consider, boom, baby, smashing that thumbs up button. And hit the little bell notification if you want to receive updates when I rock these videos, dude. But I do thank you guys, and I do look forward to talking to you champions again next time, baby. Peace. Done. Boom, baby.